Hello everyone, this is Siddharth Mukherjee. Today my session is all about breakout trades and I will show you about my Excel set as well. How I am finding the trades through my filtering technique. So which kind of parameters I am using to filter my stocks. Okay, so I have created my Excel. So rather than going to Excel, I will go to this Bloomberg Print. Go to the Bloomberg Print. Okay, they have very good insight about the stock market, stock analysis tools. Here you have to go options. In options, you will see all the details. So it's all about most active index. Index are listed here. Most active stock options. Those are there. Top open interest index. Top open interest stock options. So we will able to gog the details from this there only. Okay, so what I have to do if I am filtering any stock. So first what I will do, I will filter with the future. So here already it is given current future open interest breakup. So Adani Entertainment, ACC, Adani Power, everything is there. So click on the full details. You will come here. You will get open interest OI percent change, future OI percent change, call percent OI change, put OI percent change. So these three details, details I need to filter my stock. Okay, so first filter the stocks which are exactly open interest more than 5%. Future open interest is 5%. Okay, so what I will do, problem is that with this one they didn't give any kind of ordering or ordering button like sorting. If I want to short it, but I can't able to do it. By security or by future by open interest, I can't able to do it. What I did, I taken this whole sheet into my Excel. Okay, I have everyone was asking about me that what you have done with your Excel sheet. So I didn't do much. If already Bloomberg is having this kind of thing, so I am using this technique. I will filter this one. I will take this in my Excel and I will see that which one having more OI interest, OI change percent having more than 5%. So let's say ACC is there, Adani Entertainment is there, Adani Port is there. Okay, and all which are more than 5%. Better you go with the 10%. Let's say above 10%, which are those. So if you see that Ashok Leyland, Asian Paint, Oro Pharma, these are more than 10%. More than 10%. Now go to the call open interest. Call, see that what happened into call open interest change percent. If you see that call is call open interest change is reduced almost minus 10%. Okay, let's say I'm talking about the Asian Paint. Asian Paint is 11.92%. Call open interest is decreased. Put open interest is increased. But here the put open interest is 3%. I am talking about the minimum 5% change in either side. Okay, so I will not take this one. I will take this one where at least 5% open interest both is there. If in here, if you can see that in Axis Bank, 5%, see almost 6% open interest got increased in call and put it got decreased. And Axis Bank future open interest is almost 12%. So when future percent is positive more than 10%, put open interest is decreasing and call open interest is increasing. That means there are 100% call writers. But what I am saying, there are 100% call writers. Now What I will see, what I will do here, I will go to the chart of Axis Bank. Axis, correct? So you see that previous day, previous day fall is there. So that's why I was telling you that data is saying everything, whatever you are exactly. 1 second. Someone is waiting in our. 1 second. So where I was saying that I was saying what we have to do. What we have to do? We have to do first. We have to go to the future open interest and call open interest and put open interest details. So for that, what you have to do? Go to this bloombergprint.com. In bloombergprint.com, there is an option is there equity and futures. When you click on the markets, when you click on the market, this main page will open. In that main page, you have to click on the options. Go to the options. When you go to the options, you will get this another screen. Please mute yourself so that training will be easy for everyone and they will listen. Mute yourself, please. So what we will get? Most active index options, most active in stock options, top open interest stock options, and current future open interest breakups. So what we have to do? We have to go into this breakup area. Okay. What we have to do? We have to go to this breakup area. In this breakup area, when you click full, when you click on this one, full details, this page will open. In this page, what you have to check for intraday trading. So this data is for the previous day data. For the next day trade, what I have to do? My first target is I have to see the future open interest where more than 10%. Okay. So what you will do if you able to take this whole future open interest breakup into the Excel sheet, do it. If you are able to do it, because I have done it. You have to check that which future open interest is more than 5%. Okay. Filter that one. So let's say some open interest will come and pick anyone which are more than 5%. Let's say Adani Entertainment, Ambuja Cement is there. Let's say Ambuja Cement. Another filtration technique is this: call open interest change should be call open interest and put open interest change should be more than 5% either side, either negative or either positive. So Ambuja Cement is not in my list. Apollo Hospital is not in my list. Apollo Tire is not in my list. Ashok Leyland could be in my list, but here both side it is a positive. I will not take this. I will see any one side is positive, another side is negative. Okay. Like this one, Axis Bank. Axis Bank is fulfilling my criteria. It is more than 5%. Here the future open here call open interest is more than 5%, and put open interest is also more than 5%, but in the negative side. Okay, that means whenever you will see that this kind of open interest is happening, it is 100% sure that call writers are heavy into this Axis Bank. Call writers are heavy. So what I will do, I will go to the Axis Bank and see that Is it confirmed? Whatever the person is telling, whatever the data is telling, is it confirmed? So I have seen that the candle which has formed is exactly the bearish candle. It's a bearish candle, and 100% surety is that the market is in the grip of bearish. Uh, which kind of bearish? Who are the call writers? Who are the call writers? They have written this stock to make it down. It will go near 286, 207. So who all are in my group? They know that this kind of predictions I do. And multiple times my predictions are exactly going in the correct way. Okay, let's draw the chart. If I draw the chart, I will draw the chart. My data should be validated. Please mute yourself. Please draw the chart. I will draw the chart. I am seeing that it is a falling channel. Falling channel is happening, and lower lows are happening, and higher lows are happening. So if you see that here, most recent change is that whenever you make the candles lower low trend line and higher lows trend line, it is making a kind of falling wedge within the channel, falling channel. 100% this stock will go near 325, and then finally 294, 290 it will come. So what you should do? Who having money around 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees, go and short this 350 or 350 call. Okay, and if you want to hedge it with just 10 rupees, 20 rupees upper. So if you are writing 350, 370 you will hedge. Otherwise, another way is that take the put, buy the put. Okay, buy put 335. So near 335 or 330 put you will buy, and you buy the put and wait. You will wait another 2-3 candles. Okay, because most of the time what people are doing is that they are buying the put or they are buying the calls. They are exactly trying to make the fortune overnight or one day, within one day, but it's not happening. If you will do the trading with the data and chart, you are you are going to make profit next 2-3 days, 4 days. Okay, and in 3 to 4 days, if you are getting 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, be happy with, because your capital was around 20, 25,000 rupees, 20,000, and in 20,000 you are making around 2,000 rupees. That is around, you can say, 10%. You are making 10% of your capital in a 3 to 4 days. None of the bank will give you this kind of interest. If you are doing it regularly, weekly, if you are making, I'm telling you, if you are making, you have a capital of 1 lakh rupees. In the 1 lakh rupees, if you are making 5,000 rupees weekly, that means almost you are making in 52 week 2,65,000 rupees. How much? 2,65,000 you are making. Which one is good? Making loss regularly, or having a profitable journey and doing it slowly? Okay, so this is the one of the way to make the money, and this trading session is all about validating the data with the chart and then take the trade. Trade can be taken in both way. First, either write the option wherever you can see that yes, call writers are heavy, or otherwise another way you can see that put writers are also would be there. Put writer would be also there. So this chart, 1 second, let me show you where is the put writer. Yes, Bosch Limited. Bosk Limited numbers are very less, so I will avoid it because 11 only 11 contract here and here 25 contract, so I will avoid this. Here you can see the CESC, but again this is not fulfilling. It is not more than 5. Here it is fulfilling. Cipla. Put writers are there. Why I am saying that heavy put writers are there? You see that future open interest is more than 5%. Call written almost nothing is happening, but put written is happening 14% almost. How much? 14%. What you have to do? Go here in Axis Bank, go to the Cipla and see the chart. Yes. Oh my God. Heavy put writers are there. And put writers make this stop how much? 613 to 640. That means I am 100% sure this stock is going to make a new high. In another, it is already in 52 week high. So where it will reach, target is around 675. So how I will do it? My chart is saying that it will go near it will go near 630. It will go near 730, but after 10 rupees, 10 to 20 rupees, it will create resistance near 655. Now 630. Okay, so there is a resistance near 600. There is a resistance near 655, and if this resistance will break, it will come here 728. Okay, so it's in the bullish range right now. So what I will do, what I will do, the smart trader, what they will do, they will write 600 or 610 put, and if they want to hedge it, they will hedge it with 20 rupees difference in a downside, or otherwise they will buy another call when it will come here, when the retracement will come near 600, 630, they will buy one call. Okay, and they will call right, they do the call right 600. So whatever the premium they receive from the 600, they will invest in buying the call. Okay, so there is a two ways there. What you will do, here you will write 600 call, you write 600 call, you will write, and 600 put you also write. Okay, and both you have written it, both you have sorted it by this 642 call and 500 670 put. It will create a butterfly iron condor, butterfly condor. It will create your butterfly condor. Okay, this is another one of the strategies there. Many people I don't know they are knowing or not. This is one of the strategy, because I am able to see there is some resistance is there. So if I will write call and put immediately here in this region and hedge it with in this region and in this region, and if stock will remain here, then I will be in a good profit. This is one of the way to make the money by writing call and put both and hedging and put 20%, 20 rupees, 30 rupees difference. Otherwise, what will happen? What we will do? Buy one call and wait. Another way, buy in a cash and wait. Buy in a cash and wait. You are going to make me 100% sure within one month of time. It will give you another 30 rupees, 40 rupees, 50 rupees kind of move. Or just you write the put near 600 or 580 and set idle. Until unless your 680 is not going to break downside, you are not in the loss. You are writing the put. Okay, because with the data, with the chart, my trade is right. So almost I am done with the today session. If anyone having any confusion, just unmute themselves and let me know. Anyone having confusion? 15 people have joined. No one is having confusion. I think everyone is fine. They know what I have given, what I have delivered. किसी को इंग्लिश ना समझ में आती है तो हिंदी में बोल दूं. Jidesh, I am saying that if you don't have a knowledge in derivative, please buy in a cash. Buy in a cash intraday, or if you buy in a cash, I don't think it's Swaraj. I don't know how other people are able to listen me. They are audible enough because I am into the Wi-Fi right now. My speed is also good. So if anyone don't know the derivative, find the opportunity where to buy with what I have told you. So I think I'm going to today class, and if anyone having confusion, if anyone want to learn, please let me know. I will upload this session in YouTube, and Papuram, I'm telling that I will upload this session in YouTube. Go there. I will upload by today only. Go there and watch it multiple times. You will understand what I said. Okay. And share with your dear ones about this session, what we have done today, and everyone have enjoyed. Thank you everyone. Note my number 8800 If anyone want to take a training, formal training, let me know. I can give the formal training as well. Or if you want to arrange the webinar, that I can do as well. Thank you everyone. Bye.